Late one night, a sneaky thief tiptoes into the toy store, grabbing every last piece of candy he can find. Suddenly, the alarm blares, echoing through the quiet streets. A police car hears the call and speeds into action, weaving swiftly through traffic with sirens flashing. The chase is on. Will the police catch up before the thief disappears with his sugary loot, or will the candy vanish into the night? The city holds its breath, waiting for justice. The city erupts into chaos as a daring thief races down the bustling streets on a scooter powered by pure sugar. Lollipops and gumdrops scatter in their wake, turning the pavement into a colorful, sticky trail. Sirens wail as a determined police car weaves through traffic, narrowly missing city buses and ducking beneath low bridges. With a burst of turbo boost, the chase intensifies. Time is running out. Can the law catch the candy bandit before the sugar rush crashes? As the thief's candy bag bursts, a colorful rain of sweets showers the park, sending children into delighted chaos. Laughter fills the air as jelly beans scatter across the grass and dogs dart after bouncing bonbons. The police car screeches to a halt, officers scanning the scene for the elusive culprit. Spotting the commotion, they close in, unaware the thief has ducked behind a swirling cloud of spun sugar. As the officer approaches the cotton candy cart, suspense hangs thick in the air. After a wild chase through the city, the police car finally corners the thief near the bustling ice cream factory. Out of breath and desperate, the thief pleads for just one last gummy bear before accepting his fate. But instead of handcuffs, the officer offers a surprising deal: help make candy for everyone instead of heading to jail. The thief's eyes light up, and soon laughter fills the factory as they whip up treats, turning a wild day into a sweet adventure.